With the first units of the 2021 Kia Cerato, also known as the Forte and K3 in other markets, set to arrive at Australian dealers this week, the Korean automaker has announced a pricing and specification. Boasting revised looks and soldering on with the same engine lineup, the range comprises of the S, Sport, and Sport Plus trim levels, which start at $25,990, $27,990, and $31,690 respectively. The entry level is equipped with LED DRLs, 16-inch steel wheels, 6-way adjustable driver's seat, 8-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 4.2-inch color TFT display, 6-speaker audio, manual air con and rear air vents. The lane keep assist, lane follow assist, automatic emergency braking speed limiter, front and rear parking sensors and reversing camera are standard too. Upgrading to the Sport will get owners 17-inch alloy wheels, different upholstery, illuminated vanity mirrors, 10.25-inch infotainment and digital radio. The Sport Plus adds rear brake discs, smart key with push-button start, leather upholstery, heated front seats, dual-zone climate control with automatic defogger, auto-dimming rearview mirror, more advanced AEB, blind collision avoidance assist, smart cruise control and electronic parking brake. The safety pack is a $1,500 option on the S and Sport, bringing the more advanced AEB, rear disc brakes, blind spot detection, smart cruise control, rear cross-traffic alert, electronic parking brake, electric folding side mirrors, and leather-wrapped steering wheel and gear knob. The 2021 Cerato is powered by a 112 kilowatts and 192 Nm of torque 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. The lineup will be completed by the GT, that is powered by a 1.6-liter turbo 4 with 150 kilowatts and 265 Nm, and will launch in mid-June.